Buddy, roll over. Roll over. Buddy here is not very good at doing tricks, but when it comes to climbing this tree, he's an expert. And there he goes, 15 feet up into his favorite mulberry tree.
I've never seen one climb a tree before. I think there are some probably that do, but I've never seen one before.
Jerry McWarther says her funny little guy has been climbing trees since he was a puppy. Leaping from one branch to the next, he jumps there, to there, to there, stopping only for a quick photo op.
I was nervous about it at first, but now he seems very sure-footed, and so I don't worry about him.
Cruising up and down the giant tree so effortlessly, he could put any cat to shame.
Tried to get some good still pictures of it, but it's hard because I can't move fast enough.
McWarther says he doesn't do it for the glory, but instead for the hunt.
He just chases. If I turn him loose in the front yard, he's all over the neighborhood, sniffing every tree.
Sniffing for squirrels, birds, anything he could get his paws on. And with a jump this good, squirrels need to watch out. In Fresno, Alina Abovian, KMPH News.